Alright guys, so what's up? Not much. Today's job, painting crappy wheels. I don't know if you guys remember these wheels. These were originally on the EP3, but we kind of threw that car away, so that car's kind of crushed and gone. So our RSX came with these wheels on it. These are good. I mean, they look good on the car, to be honest with you. They do. I like the look. I'm still not sure what wheels these are. Somebody might put them in the comment. I think they're off of it says Acura. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure what Acura they are off of though, but they look good on the car. I thought about keeping them, but they're a little heavy, and also they have like the worst all-season tires on them. I think they're like some Walmart brand all-season tires. So these, on the other hand, these have crappy tires in the rear, but they have R888s on the front. And we want our 888s for the traction. So I figured what we might do is take these off and throw them on my 4-door Civic outside, just because that needs some wheels. You know, we can't be riding around in the daily with, you know, some crap. So I'm gonna take these, throw them on the daily, take these Mazda RX-7 wheels and throw them on here. And that's what I think we're gonna run. So we'll have some R888s up front, and I guess these are the rears. I don't know, they're like some Bridgestones, but they're summer tires, so they're probably better than all season nothings on these things. So whoever painted these before, they painted the outside and they didn't paint the inside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep them black. I figured just because it's easier to kind of just keep it rolling, we'll keep them black. And then I guess we'll see how these look on the RSX. If I don't like these, what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably just toss these and go buy another set of wheels, because I'm not really a fan of 16s on the RSX, because I think these are 18s and these are a little big. 16s are a little small, but then like on this RSX we got, you know, 17s, perfect size. I like these. I thought about buying a set of these for this car, but I knew everybody would be like, RPF ones again, they're so played out. I'm like, well, first of all, I haven't seen an RSX with RPF ones in my area for like years. So I don't know. We might get another set of those, who knows. But onto these, I guess let's go ahead and let's get to painting. I know it's not gonna be a quality paint job, guys. We're just couple cans of paint, nothing special. I might tape this off, you know, we'll see. Just as long as they're one color, they look better than they started before. This is a budget build. We're not, you know, stripping them and powder coating them and spending $400 on paint for wheels. We don't got it like that. You know, we're in the garage and we're just knocking it out. So let's go ahead, throw some paint on these and let's see how they come out. All right, so this is how our wheels came out. They're not too bad. I mean, the finish on them is okay. I like it. I mean, let's just say this. Before they were, you know, chipped up, missing paint, you know, it was bad. So at least at this point, they look good. They're all one color. So I can at least say good job. Now, I guess, should we throw them on the car? Yeah, I guess we'll go ahead. Let's throw them on, see how they look. There is no engine in the car right now, so I do have a lot of wheel gap. We are going to fix that soon, but, you know, hey, hang on. We getting there. We getting there little by little. All right, so let's go ahead and let's throw these on. I got some new lugs for these too, because I don't even know. Is there any lugs on this car? Yeah, 2. So 2 lugs, and we've got a set of 5. So we're going to go ahead and put some lugs on this thing, and let's go ahead and see how it looks. So we got the wheels in the car. I don't know how good you can see, because obviously, you know, we got black wheels, and, you know, black wheels don't show up too well, but they look pretty good. Got these extended lugs on there. I kind of like them. We got a lot of wheel gap right now just because there's no engine in there, but I mean, the wheels came out good. We got some R888s, so we should hook up pretty good on the street here once we get them going. Let's I guess let's go check the back out. Yeah, so this is the back. These came out pretty good. I mean, The finish on them came out good for a couple dollars. I think the finish came out pretty good. I like the lugs on there, and they look good. You know, I mean, for a couple dollars, they work. And obviously, we still got a little. We don't have much wheel gap in the back. Maybe about 2 fingers, probably about 2 fingers of wheel gap. But this is still stock suspension. You know, we don't have coilovers on it yet. We got to get all that stuff on. But I mean, these wheels aren't bad. I was kind of worried about the 16s on the RSX, but I think it might work. Yeah, because once we get the car pretty low, I think it'll work. I was a little worried at first, you know, because obviously, you know, 17s are the way to go. But you also have to realize these cars come with factory 16s. So especially like I think the 0506 Type S, those come with 17s. But I mean, the what is it? The 0204 Type S comes with 16s, and the base models all come with 16s too. So they're not that bad on a 16-inch wheel, and these are a lot wider 16s too. So we got a good sized tire up front. I think we're running 245s up front and maybe 225s in the rear, I think. I don't know. Other than that, though, it looks decent. I can't wait to get the coilovers on it and get the engine back in it, so then we can really see how the car, you know, sits. Because right now the engine's not in the car, so it's sitting really high, and we're also on stock suspension. So I guess we'll cut it here, and I guess we'll wait till we get the engine in and get the coilovers on, and next we get this thing outside so we can actually see how it sits outside. So, all right, guys, next video, who knows what we're doing, but we're just chugging along on the project. All right, guys, later.